Welcome back everyone to Mr. Nicey Crypto. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Conflux portal, also known as like a Conflux wallet. So let's get right into it. First thing you're going to want to do is come to portal.confluxnetwork.org, and I'll be linking any website I talk about in my show always down in the description below. Okay, when you're here, you're going to want to click on install, and I'm doing this on a Chrome browser. That's what most people use. So if you see the 10,000 plus users, this is the right place you want to be in at the time of this recording of this video. So hopefully in the future, this number will be a lot larger, but this just tells me that we're still pretty early to this blockchain. So we're going to hit add to Chrome. We're going to hit add extension. If you guys watch my MetaMask tutorial, this is pretty much no different. It's essentially the same steps, and they work very, very similar. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is click on create a wallet. I agree. Okay, now I have to create a password. Just make up a quick one here. I have one kind of already copied, so I can just paste it in for you guys and move right along. Okay, here's our secret backup phrase. We talked about this in the MetaMask tutorial as well. This is also known as a seed phrase, or like the combination to your digital safe. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do, I usually just open up a notepad file. So you just basically drag that onto there. You copy and paste onto your little notepad, and then boom, there you go. You got all of your seed phrase. Super easy for you. Go ahead and hit next, and then we have our notepad here, so we can just come back and look at this. It's slide change media maple. Slide change media maple. Okay, and the next one's going to be business relief photo and poverty. Okay, and then mother bus or anger. These are some funny words they gave us. Anyways, okay, we're gonna go ahead and hit all done. So it's really that simple. Now you're set up on the Conflux portal. I'll do another tutorial on how to use shuttle flow, so you can actually shuttle assets into here. This works a little bit differently than say the MetaMask when you move an Ethereum straight into MetaMask, because this blockchain does not run on the Ethereum blockchain. It runs on its own blockchain known as the Conflux blockchain. But it's super lightning fast, and it's dirt cheap to use, if not zero fees pretty much. So this thing I've been definitely digging for a couple apps I've been using, and they've been around for I think almost over a year now. So they have a good track run going, and there's actually a lot to say about Conflux portal. I'm not going to get into all the nitty gritties. We'll talk about that at another time. So anyways, that's going to be pretty much it for your Conflux portal. And then also you can come here and then pin that to the top of your taskbar, and boom, it opens up, and then there's your wallet address. And just kind of like the other one I showed you on MetaMask, you can change your account name here. So boom, there you go, you got a little account name. You can import and add accounts, so you can have multiple accounts as well if you're mining Conflux, and it's not a bad coin to mine either from what I've seen. Okay everyone, thanks again for stopping by today, and hopefully you have a great rest of your day. Please like, subscribe, comment, support the channel. We'll be doing a few giveaways here hopefully in the next month or two. Peace out, stay crypto.